Hey guys, I'm excited to do a new video tonight with y'all to teach you about commission. So do you know anybody that works in sales? Maybe a real estate agent, a car salesman, insurance salesman. That person earns commission. Commission is the amount of money paid to a salesperson based upon the amount of total sales. So we are going to be using our percent proportion like we've been using in the past, where we have percent over 100 equals part over whole. But in this percent proportion, the commission is the part. Commission is that extra money the salesperson makes for selling something. It's like a bonus amount of money. The total sales is the whole, because the commission they make is based upon out of total sales. Now, many workers are often paid based upon sales and wages. So we have this formula. Commission plus wages equals total pay. So for showing up to work, they get paid wages by the hour, day, or year. But then every time they make a sale, they get extra money called commission. So the more the products they sell, the more money they make. Take a look at example 1. A real estate agent has sold a house for $350,000. She earns 3% commission. How much did she earn? So we're going to set up percent over 100 equals how much commission out of $350,000 total sale. Go ahead and cross multiply. 350,000 times 3 divide by 100, and we get X equals to $10,500. So she earns $10,500, and that's how real estate agents get paid. Let's look at the U try. An insurance agent can earn 10% on an auto insurance policy. If an insurance agent quoted you $1,200 annual premium for your car insurance, how much would they earn? There's a lot of really technical vocabulary here. Annual premium just means that every year you pay $1,200, and that's how insurance agents make their money. So that's their total sales. $1,200 is the price of what they sold you. Their commission is 10% out of 100. So we're looking for the commission amount that represents. So this is our proportion we'll set up. Go ahead and cross multiply to solve. And we get 120. So that agent he earned $120 because you bought an insurance policy from him. Okay, let's take a look at example 2. A retail associate at a department store, that just means salesperson, earns $9.50 an hour. Now, does that sound like commission or wages? Right, that's wages. The hourly pay. And 3% commission on all sales. If he worked for 30 hours for the week and sold $2,500 worth of merchandise, what was the total amount he earned? So what are we solving for? We're looking for the total amount. How do we get that total amount? We're going to figure out how much commission he got and add that to the wages he earned for showing up to work each hour. First, to find commission, let's set up our proportion. 3% is our commission rate, and that's equal to what? Right, we're solving for commission, so X goes on top. And we know the sales, $2,500. So our commission amount is going to be what? $2,500 times 3 divided by 100. And that gives us, that's right, $75 commission. How do I find the wages? So he got $9.50 for every hour. And how many hours did he work? 30 hours. Okay. So for each hour, we're going to multiply $9.50 times 30. What does that give us? That's right, $285. It's kind of like his base pay. That's what he gets for showing up to work every day and being there for those hours. This $75 commission is like bonus money for all the sales that the associate got. When we add those together, we get our total. So $285 plus 75 gives us $360 paid for the week. All right, tomorrow we're going to look at some more problems like this and spend most of the class period talking through classwork and practicing this more.